Hello guys, in this session I will solve KCET complex numbers previous year questions from 2014 to 2017. If you observe 2014 one question, 2015 three questions, 2016 two questions, and from 2017 you will get one question. So on an average you are getting minimum one question and maximum you are getting three questions. So very helpful for your getting KCET good rank. Okay. So let us start from KCET 2014. So in that comment section, if you want any particular chapter questions, so please message me guys. So I will solve that question with firstly. Okay. Now, so when come to 2014, if alpha and beta are two different complex numbers with mod beta is equal to 1, and then beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar into beta is equal to. Okay, so they are asking modulus of this is what? Okay, modulus of this is equal to with the help of mod beta is equal to 1. So first of all I will tell you guys, you know, if z is equal to x plus iy, z value another x plus iy agidre z bar enagutte conjugate x minus iy agutte. Andre z into z bar enagutte x plus iy into x minus iy enagutte x square plus y square. Okay, so that means modulus of z ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ according to this modulus of z square root of x square plus y square. So that means square root of x square plus y square you can write as square root of z into z bar. Why? Because x square plus y square is nothing but z into z bar. So what I mean to tell is modulus of z we can also write as square root of z into z bar, nothing but that is conjugate. Now so this is what this inside we will consider as nothing but complex number. So modulus of beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta modulus I will write it as square root of z into z bar. Okay, z into z bar, nothing but beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta, that is what z. Okay, into z bar, nothing but beta minus alpha bar divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta whole bar. Okay, nothing but conjugate means bar, right? So nothing but square root of beta minus alpha into this is beta bar minus alpha bar. Okay, beta bar minus alpha bar divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta into, so this is 1 minus alpha beta bar. Andre alpha bar alpha agutte, beta enagutte beta bar agutte. Okay, so multiply these two. Now if you multiply these two it will be, okay, square root of beta into beta bar is beta into beta bar, this is minus beta into alpha bar minus alpha into beta bar minus into minus plus alpha into alpha bar whole divided by, you multiply 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into this is alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta into 1 is minus alpha bar into beta minus into minus plus alpha bar into alpha and again beta into beta bar. Okay, so this is when you multiply this. So as you know that beta into beta bar nothing but z into z bar ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ mod z square, right? So z into z bar and mod z square. So similarly if you multiply beta bar into beta, so it will be mod beta square minus beta alpha bar minus alpha beta bar plus alpha into alpha bar whole divided by, this is 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta plus alpha bar into alpha into beta bar whole square. So why I have written this beta into beta bar as beta bar whole square means given modulus of beta value 1, so that I will replace here. So it will be square root of 1 minus beta alpha bar minus alpha beta bar plus alpha into alpha bar whole divided by, this is 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta plus alpha into alpha bar as beta bar whole square, this is 1. So if you observe the numerator and denominator both are equal, so these two will be simplified, that is equal to 1, root 1 is equal to 1. So value of this is equal to 1. So very simple, but you have to understand this question. Why? Because this question is also already there in either NCERT or example textbook only. Okay, so they given modulus. So what I am doing, modulus I am writing as square root of complex number into conjugate. ಈ ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2014. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ in 2015, so you will have 3 questions, 1 2 and this is 3 questions. So when come to that first question in 2015, so this is related to cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. So cube roots of unity andre first of all you have to remember 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Okay na? A equation use ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First one ಏನು 1 minus omega plus omega square into 1 plus omega minus omega square. So now 1 plus omega square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 plus omega square minus omega ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ minus omega it will be minus 2 omega into. Now 1 plus omega ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. So 1 plus omega is minus omega square minus 2 omega square. Now it is minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Now omega into omega square is omega cube. Omega cube value we know that is equal to 1, which is the answer is 4. Okay. So here two equations you need to remember. One is 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Another one is omega cube value is equal to 1. Why omega cube value is equal to 1 means omega cube we can write as omega square into omega. Omega square value is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Omega value is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. ಈ ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. Now the next question in 2015, that is z is equal to the given. Okay, z given. So ಇದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ z1 z2 by z3 ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we can write it as mod z1 into mod z2 into mod z3. Like this we can split. So similarly this is also in the form of this is one of the complex number, this is another complex number, and this is another complex number. So first ನಾನು mod z ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, so I am applying mod on both sides. So then it will become mod root 3 plus I whole cube mod 3i plus 4 whole square divided by mod 8 plus 6i whole square. So we know that if z is equal to x plus iy ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ mod z ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x square plus y square square root of. So similarly mod of this ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ square root of x square plus y square root 3 whole square 3 plus 1 whole square. Okay, sorry, whole cube is there. Next plus 3i plus 4 andre square root of 3 square 9. This is 9 plus 4 square is 16 whole square whole divided by this is 8 square root of 8 square is 64 plus 36 whole square. So if you simplify root 4 whole cube and then 9 plus 16, this is root 25 whole square whole divided by root 100 whole square. So square root and square root are cancelled. This is root 4 we can write as 2 square root cancel 2 cube 8 into 25 by 100, nothing but 24 ones 25 ones 25 fours 4 ones 4 twos. The answer is option D. Okay, this is how we need to find these type of questions. Next, a question from 2015 itself. Question is, if alpha and beta are roots of this equation, then alpha square plus beta square. So this type of question is very standard question. So first of all we have to assume the given equation as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay na? ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ if alpha and beta are roots ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, okay, alpha and beta are roots ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ alpha plus beta nothing but sum of the roots formula ಏನು minus b by a. Similarly product of the roots ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ according to this is c by a. So this is a very standard formulas you have to remember, sum of the roots and product of the roots. Similarly ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x square minus ax plus b square equal to 0. So here also alpha and beta are roots now. Okay, so that means alpha plus beta sum of the roots ಏನು minus b by a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, c ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು b square. ಅವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. minus b by a, b ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ a minus a. So minus of minus a by a, a ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. So it is a by 1 nothing but a. Alpha and beta product of the roots formula c by a, c value b square, a andre 1. So which is b square by 1 is equal to b square. So idu sum of the roots product of the roots. Ivaga sum of the roots product of the roots yaak find out madidine andre we need alpha square plus beta square. So if you apply the formula alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 into alpha beta, we know sum of the roots value and we know product of the roots. So same time simultaneously we will get this one. Okay, if they ask based on this we can find now. So alpha plus beta value we know that is a, so which is a square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 into alpha beta value, this is b square. So if we send 2b square to left hand side, it will become a square minus 2b square equal to alpha square plus beta square. So this is a very good question which it came in 2015. So in 2015 the summation of 3 questions they are asking. Okay, next we will go for 2016. In 2016 they asked 2 questions, so which are very good and very simple also. So first I will simplify this question, guys. Okay, I power n plus I power n plus 1 plus I power n plus 2 plus I power n plus 3. Okay, so as you have to remember, first I power 1 is nothing but I square value minus 1, I cube value minus I power 4 value which is equal to 1. Okay, ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೇ ತರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I power 4 ಮತ್ತೆ I ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, I power 6 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, I power 7 minus I ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, I power 8 ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, I power n, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. ಈ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಲಿ, n value 5, 6, 10, anything. So sum of these 4 numbers is always equal to 0. Okay, remember this. Next, the real part of 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta whole power minus 1. Real part andre, for example, if it is z is equal to x plus iy, ಈ x value na ನಾವು real part ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, ಈ y value na ನಾವು imaginary part ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So as they are asking real part ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ x value ಬೇಕು, x value ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ z equal to x plus iy form ಗೆ ನಾವು first of all convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So as they given whole power minus 1, I will write it as z is equal to 1 by 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, denominator. Why? Because whole power n andre denominator. Now for this I will do rationalize. So 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta minus I into sin theta. Okay, now so numerator will be 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, whole divided by, this is in the form of a plus ib into a minus ib. So a plus ib into a minus ib formal idre value is a square plus b square. So similarly a square means, okay, 1 minus cos theta whole square plus b square, this is sin square theta. So it will become 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta whole divided by, ಇದು a minus b whole square apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta plus sin square theta. Okay, so this will be numerator is 1 minus cos theta minus I sin theta whole divided by, so cos square theta plus sin square theta value ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, that is 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 into cos theta ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this I will write it as 1 minus cos theta minus I into sin theta whole divided by, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 minus cos theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so 1 minus cos theta by 2 into 1 minus cos theta minus I into sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, 2 into 1 minus cos theta. ಈಗ 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta cancel, this is 1 by 2 plus I into minus sin theta by 2 into 1 minus cos theta. ಅವ್ರು ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಸೊ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ is equal to 1 by 2. So it is option 1, option A. Okay, so ಈ ತರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2017. ಸೊ ಈ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇದು NCERT ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, 1 plus I by 1 minus a whole power m equal to 1 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ least positive integral value of m, least value of m they are asking, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಬೈ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಬೈ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಇಂಟು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಬೈ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಂ. ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2i 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, sorry, denominator ಏನು a minus b into a plus b, that is a square plus b square, 1 square plus again this is 1 square whole power m as they given equal to 1. okay na? So ಇದು i square value minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 cancel, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2i by 2 whole power m is equal to 1. that means i power m is equal to 1. i power m is equal to 1. ನಾವು ಈಗ i power ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ i power 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ i ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1, ಐ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಪವರ್ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಎಂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2014 to 2017. So you can take a screenshot of those solutions. This is 2014. okay, and this is 2015, and the 2015 another this is another question, and from 2016. so this is the questions. okay, 2016. now finally from the 2017 this was the question. okay guys, now hope if you understood these questions how to simplify. Please follow my channel and share to your friends if you think this is helpful to you. okay, thank you so much, all the best.